Abigail. Abigail, you have some applesauce?
Papa.
Applesauce. Good girl. Good girl. Ah. What a big girl. You do that all by yourself? Wow, you're a big girl. Abigail, you're such a big girl. Yes, you are. You're the big sister. You're the big sister. You can teach Hannah how to eat with a spoon, can't you? The spoon's pretty good too, isn't it?